To enter a store using a Collaborator access code, you first need to make sure you have a Shopify account. If you do not, go ahead and pause this and create an account at Shopify.com. It does not cost anything to sign up, and you do not need to start a free trial or pick a plan. You just need a registered email address to serve as your digital identity for store access. Once your personal account is active, log into your Shopify homepage so you are looking at your account dashboard. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the store selector. This is usually located right next to your profile icon at the very top of the navigation menu. A drop-down panel will appear showing any stores you already own. At the bottom of this panel, you will see a bold option that says log in to an existing store. Click that text. A new page will load, prompting you to enter a store URL. You do not need to type a URL here. Instead, look directly beneath the text field and locate the small link labeled Login with a Collaborator access code. Click that link to switch the login method. You will now see a field asking for the 8-digit Collaborator access code. This code was generated by the store owner and is case-sensitive, so type it exactly as it was given to you. It is a combination of 4 letters followed by 4 numbers, separated by a dash. After you enter the code, click the Review Access and Login button. The next screen will present a summary of the specific permissions the store owner has granted you. Read through this list carefully so you understand which parts of the admin you can modify. After reviewing your permissions, confirm the login by clicking the Accept and Login button at the bottom of the page. The system will immediately redirect you into the store's admin panel. You will stay logged into this store until you manually switch back to your own stores or the owner removes your access. To return to a specific store in the future, simply use the store's drop-down menu again. The client store will now appear in your list of recently accessed shops, allowing you to click directly in without needing the code a second time.